Are you looking for a reliable, experienced and cost-efficient partner to bring your electronics from concept to market-ready products? Then Cre8tek is your solution. As a one-stop EMS partner, we specialize in developing and manufacturing box-built electronics for customers worldwide, offering complete supply chain management from development and testing to assembly, quality control, packaging and shipping. Our customers say we have the perfect size, small enough to stay flexible, but large enough to provide the expertise needed for swift and efficient execution. They value easy access to our development team, which speeds up decision making and builds trust, with a contact person actively involved in every phase of development. As one of our customers expressed, the primary factors for choosing working with us are our flexibility, our competitive pricing, and our short time to market for their products.
What sets Cre8tek apart is our unique Danish-Chinese ownership, blending European reliability with the speed and skill of Chinese manufacturing. In Shenzhen, we operate an advanced 11,000 square meters facility with 11 product lines and a skilled workforce. This ensures a quick transition from prototype to mass production. Our customers are in direct contact with me and the team in China, which makes the development process much more efficient, reliable, and collaborative.
Are you ready to turn your idea into a fully realized box-built product? Contact Cre8tek today and let's start the conversation.